Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English today is looking at missing pronouns. First of all, have a look at this sentence here. Which word or words do you think are missing? Look at the sentence. What time shall we tomorrow? What time shall we tomorrow? 3 possibilities. What do you think? Is it A, meet? Is it B, meet us? Or is it C, meet ourselves? Which word or words are missing from the sentence underneath? What time shall we tomorrow? Is it A, B, or C? What do you think? The answer is A, meet. Why? Because in English we don't have reflexive pronouns. Some other languages do, certainly German, but in English we don't. So we never say, what time shall we meet us tomorrow? Or what time shall we meet ourselves tomorrow? It's only, what time shall we meet tomorrow? We don't have reflexive pronouns like that in English. Thank you for watching. We'll have another Easy-Peasy English lesson another day. Bye-bye for now.